I have a delicious bread pudding recipe to share with you. Let's make it. For this recipe, I'm using some leftover brioche hot dog buns, and I think I used like 4 or 6, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. I added 2 peeled and chopped apples, because why not? It's apple season, and let's be a little healthy, but that's optional. You could leave it plain or add your favorite fruit. I'm adding 6 eggs, and I like to beat the eggs first so that it incorporates nicely. Now I'm adding a can of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm adding a can of evaporated milk into the can with the sweetened condensed milk so I could get out as much of the sweetened condensed milk as I can. Now mix it until it's well combined. This is so easy to put together for a quick, delicious breakfast or even a dessert. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I forgot to press the record button on the first teaspoon, but there's definitely 2 teaspoons in there. Once that's combined, you could just pour it right over the bread mixture. Because of the egg content, I think this could qualify for breakfast, but it makes a great snack too and a great dessert. Let me know what you think. I'm adding a sprinkle of cinnamon and a sprinkle of nutmeg. You could do that to taste, it's optional. But did you know that cinnamon helps stabilize your blood sugar? Bake it at 350 for about 40-45 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. Doesn't it look great? I'm just going to sprinkle it with a little powdered sugar and a little drizzle of caramel sauce. I'm just using the Smucker's caramel sauce just to make it easy. This was perfectly balanced, not too sweet. Makes a great addition to your next brunch. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.